Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the vlog. Today we're heading to Singapore. My third time in Singapore, and we're actually staying at the Marina Bay Sands. Yeah, we've always wanted to stay there, but it's about a 2-hour flight from Bali, Denpasar, so fly and scoot. Flown with them a couple times before. They're right, so let's go. To our room. Experience is so good. You get these mini cornettos. We're absolutely pumped. The check-in process, everything's so like luxurious. Coming from Bali, this is pretty crazy. We've been dreaming of this, so for it to finally happen, we're excited. Check-in's earlier than the time says, but I'm pumped. I've been dreaming of this.
That'll be the middle one. So you got.
This is a live. Oh, we're having troubles again. Let's go.
"12 seconds later.
Yeah, hold it. Oh shit.
Oh my god.
Oh shit. What the fuck? Oh, look at this elephant.
One bed. Oh, two.
Oh. Shit. Holy shit. It's a bit cloudy today, but that. Oh, shit. Oh my god. Oh, look at these beds. Oh my god. Let's take a look at this bathroom. So this room cost us $500 a night. Look at this bathroom. Nice tiles. Oh, look at this. Man, shit. This is so good coming from Kuta. Oh my god, what is this? Holy shit. Look at that shower. Oh, look at that toilet. Up at the main freaking telephone. Oh no, this is going to be a good stay in the infinity pool. Oh, this is good. This is ideal. So this room cost us 540 Australian dollars for one night, and this is a city view, so there's a bunch of different views. So we've got the city view, there's a sky view, which is pretty much a city view but just higher up, and then there's a garden view and a bay view, and then I think there's like a ground view, which is like the cheaper room. But yeah, first impressions is everything from the service, just like the services, like the butler who delivers your luggage. It's definitely a luxury experience, and I think it's worth staying one night, and especially for the infinity pool. That's probably the main attraction here. They've also got this marquee nightclub. Looks pretty good. They've got a rooftop bar called C'est La Vie. Bunch of good restaurants. Oh, they've also got a casino. Yeah, we're gonna make our most of our time here at the Marina Bay because we've only got one night. They let us check in early. We got a little cornetto, so yeah, it's one of those experiences that you can't really come too close to it. But I'm gonna hit up the infinity pool soon, so we'll check that out. so I finally got my chance to go in the infinity pool. It's pretty much been on my bucket list. I've pretty much been dreaming of that. It's yeah, unfortunately, as you can see behind me, the weather wasn't too good, but it's quite a surreal experience. Yeah, you pretty much get a towel, pull up a seat, and everyone's taking photos there. It's pretty insane, the view. I think it'll be a lot cooler at night. Just had our first meal at the Marina Bay shopping centre. One was $13. It was stir-fried Singapore noodles. It was large, but usually you pay more at the Marina Bay, but it's convenient for us because that's where we're staying. But anyway, the thing you really appreciate coming from Kuta is just the safety, how clean everything is. It's such a beautiful city. I absolutely love it. Our next crib is just there, the Fullerton. So that's a 5-star hotel, so keen on that. But yeah, just enjoying this weather. It's actually not hot. Like, we walked outside and usually you feel the humidity, but anyway, it's quite cool and there's sort of a nice breeze going. So 3 years ago, when we stayed in Singapore, we used to come to this joint all the time. It's right across from the Peninsula Hotel. And I used to go see a guy here and get some weird chicken concoction. But doesn't look like he's here. I always used to get this iced coffee. I used to get big tiger beers from there, from this place here. Ultimate nostalgia, but his name was Jack Tan, but he's not here today, so pretty devastated. But this is the OG spot right here. So this right here is the real reason we come to Singapore. The infamous sandwich ice cream. It's literally a slice of bread with some ice cream. Oh yeah, here we go. This is it. Oh, what flavour are you getting, Lewis?
Hello.
Which one you getting?
Can I get a red bean with wafer?
Oh, red bean looks good.
Red bean.
What am I gonna get? Might have to go with the durian because we're in Singapore.
You want a durian?
Yeah. This here's the reason.
And can I also get a durian on bread?
Durian on bread. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I love this part. This is it. Oh, look at that. It's like a slice of butter. Oh. Oh, yes.
Okay, thank you.
A durian with bread. With rainbow bread. This should taste test. Oh, definitely tastes like durian. Oh, that's kind of good, but what do you get?
I got red bean.
Red bean with what?
Wafer.
That's like a wafer.
It was good.
No, you got to get it with the bread. So how much was that? $1.50.
$12.50. $3 for 2.
Yeah. When you're in Singapore, you got to hit up one of these ice cream places, get the rainbow bread and the durian. Fucking delicious. So we're not quite used to this type of service at a hotel. when we were gone, we come in here, we noticed this. So we've got like a designated guest service agent. Pretty much got us these slippers, gave us some pretty sick Marina Bay Sands pens, shaving kit. So yeah, and they made our beds, so good service here.
Oh, what?
So we just wrapped the night up there at Skyline, which is the rooftop bar here at the Marina Bay Sands. It is expensive and it's hard to find a seat. So yeah, drinks cost around, they're like $23, but then there's a service tax which will be about an extra $5. So it is expensive, but it's cool. It's cool to go up there. But yeah, anyway, I'm looking forward to sleeping in a decent bed after staying at that one in Kuta. Wasn't the best, but anyway, we'll see you for some Singapore adventures tomorrow.